Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace the battery in your recessed wireless door or window transmitter. Locate your door or window sensor. Note one of the two pieces is the magnetic portion of the device. The other contains the battery. You can check this with a metal screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure your system is disarmed and let the monitoring center know you'll be doing maintenance. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2 lithium battery. Locate the notch on the visible face of the transmitter. Insert your screwdriver and gently pry to separate the internal component from the housing. Be careful not to damage the plastic tabs. Inside, you'll see the CR2 battery. Notice the orientation, with the positive pluses side facing the marking on the device. Gently remove the battery and set it aside for proper recycling. Now, take your new CR2 battery and insert it into the holder positive side facing the marking. Press it in gently until it clicks securely into place. Align the battery tray and component with the housing and press until it snaps in fully. Make sure it's flush on the face. Open and close the door or window to test the transmitter to your keypad. The low battery warning should clear automatically after a few minutes. And that's it. Your door contact is now operating with a fresh battery. Thanks for watching.